How to factory reset Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly, open Settings by first clicking on Windows icon in the taskbar. Now select System from the left navigation pane of the Settings menu. Now scroll down the System menu until you reach Recovery, and once you reach there, simply click that option. Now you will see 4 options. Reset this PC, go back, advanced startup, and fix problems without resetting your PC. Typically, reset this PC is the option you want. Fix problem without resetting your PC is at the top of the list, and if you are troubleshooting rather than clearing the data, it is worth trying that first as it will be much faster. Advanced Startup lets you boot off a recovery USB drive or disk while go back to an earlier version of Windows. If you want to roll back to a previous version of the OS, this option is only available if the older OS was previously upgraded to Windows 11. Now, click either Keep My Files or Remove Everything depending on whether you want to keep your data or not. Remove Everything is exactly what it sounds like. This deletes all of your files, photos, and programs. Either way, all of your settings will return to the default and apps will be uninstalled. Now, regardless of your choice before, the next step is to decide whether to install Windows via the cloud or locally from your device. Click Next if Windows warns you that you won't be able to roll back to a prior version of the OS. After that, click Reset when prompted. Windows will then restart and take several minutes to reset itself. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.